Someone put a semi-truck diesel engine into a Ford Mustang and then towed a boat with it. And that's number 5. The Supra on this list makes 1,300 horsepower. Number 1, 1994 Toyota Supra, 1,300 horsepower. The A80 Toyota Supra is basically a religion. Its 2JZ inline-6 is one of the most celebrated engines ever built. Twin turbocharged, near indestructible, capable of 4-digit horsepower with the right tuning. People argue about the 2JZ on forums from 2003 to this day. That's how serious it is. So when YouTuber Lee Carter bought his old Supra back and found the 2JZ was destroyed, he didn't rebuild it. He ordered a Hellephant. Dodge's Hellephant is a supercharged 7-liter, 426 cubic inch Hemi V8, 1,000 horsepower, straight out of the $30,000 crate it ships in. Built for exactly 0 Supras. The front subframe had to be cut out completely. And even after all that, the supercharger still stuck so far above the roofline of the engine bay, the factory hood couldn't close. Their fix? Cut a section out of a Camaro hood and graft it onto the Supra. Then they tuned it. The dyno said 1,300 horsepower. At the drag strip, oil leaking, cooling system overheating, a fuel tank fire on one run, this thing still ran 8-second quarter miles. They kept repairing it, kept running it. That's the build. It's not a museum piece. It's a 1,300 horsepower disaster that gets driven until something catches fire. Fixed, then driven again. And if you thought removing a legendary engine was insane, the next owner did something even more personal. Number 2, Mazda RX-7 FD. The FD Mazda RX-7's rotary engine is sacred. 1.3 liters, twin turbocharged, revs to 8,000 RPM. Sounds like nothing else on Earth. Rotary people do not mess around. They live for this engine. Rowdy's Garage bought a low-mileage, single-owner RX-7. Engine running perfectly. Not blown, not broken, perfectly fine. They pulled it out anyway. In went a Dodge Hellcat V8, 717 horsepower. The rotary got shipped off to go inside a BMW M4 drag car. Because these people operate like automotive mad scientists, taking pieces from different species and stitching them together. The weight shifted so far forward, this car now lives at the drag strip instead of corners. And when it pulls away, the sound coming out of an RX-7 body is hostile, unnatural, cursed. That's exactly the point. Number 3, Tesla Model S V8 swap. Rich Benoit, known on YouTube as Rich Rebuilds, bought a flood-damaged Tesla Model S. Most people would fix the electric drivetrain. Rich pulled the entire thing out. Battery pack, motors, all of it, and dropped in a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 from a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. 6-speed manual gearbox, real exhaust. He called it the Ice-T. Internal combustion engine Tesla. Here's where the numbers get absurd. A stock Model S weighs 4,936 pounds. Most of that is battery. Strip it out, drop in the V8, 3,500 pounds. Nearly 1,400 pounds lighter. The dyno hit 444 horsepower at the wheels. The gas cap is hidden where the charging port used to be. From the outside, normal Tesla. Digital gauge cluster still works. Infotainment screen still works. Interior looks completely stock, except for the gear shifter growing out of the floor and the V8 growl coming from under the hood. He drove it to a gas station. The attendant told him to stop joking and go somewhere else. He took it to SEMA. Tesla fans called it environmental vandalism. Gearheads called it the greatest thing they'd ever seen.
That's chaos inside something that looks civilized. The next one is unhinged from the outside, too. Number 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata V8. The Miata weighs 2,300 pounds. Stock engine, 116 horsepower. Fly-in Miata took a 6.2-liter Chevy LS3, the Corvette engine, and forced it into the Miata's engine bay so tightly, the hood insulation pad had to be completely removed just for clearance. Upgraded transmission, Pontiac G8 rear end. Outside, stock, looks completely normal. Result? 425 horsepower at the rear wheels. Power-to-weight ratio on par with a Ford GT. The stock Miata makes average drivers feel fast. This one makes fast drivers feel afraid. And if all of that still makes some kind of sense to you, the last build makes absolutely none.
Number 5. Ford Mustang Smokestang. YouTuber Weston Champlin started with a Ford Mustang, a muscle car, an American icon. A car built around one purpose, a big, loud, gasoline-powered V8. He pulled the engine out and replaced it with a 6.1-liter Cummins diesel, the engine from a semi-truck. Then he put 2 massive turbochargers on it. The bigger of the 2 was so heavy it needed an engine crane just to lift it into place. The hood doesn't close anymore. The turbo setup physically sticks out of the engine bay. He named it the Smokestang. On the dyno, 1,264 horsepower, 2,200 pound-feet of torque. For reference, a stock Mustang GT makes 390. This thing has nearly 6 times the torque. The red line is 3,000 RPM. That's it.
5 swaps, none of them logical. The Hellephant Supra is making 1,300 horsepower and bleeding every time it runs. The RX-7 killed a healthy rotary for fun. The Tesla lost its entire soul and gained a gear shift. The Miata weighs nothing and will rearrange your face if you're not paying attention. And the Smokestang is a semi-truck engine in a muscle car, towing a boat at 1,264 horsepower. These aren't engineering projects anymore. They're mechanical acts of violence.